crane, kıtalık. This is a very, very sacred bird for my people, for Sakha people, and not only for Sakha, because Ainu, indigenous of Japan, they also have the same dances, the same sounds, and the song dedicated to this beautiful bird. It's incredible how we're connected through the Mother Earth. The crane, kıtalık, it's very elegant. They migrate all the way from the Japan to Arctic Siberia to mate, weave the nests, and give it babies. They find the Arctic Siberia as a very special place for bringing new baby kıtalık.